Hello, we're ZX Machinery Company, the professional manufacturer of non-woven bag making machine in China. This video talking about customized ZX-LT500 box bag making machine equipped with vertical bag folding process. Overcome the production difficulties of their fabric due to low bag height, low GSM, soft texture, etc. Widely used in all kinds of cakes and desserts, and other external packaging use, favored by domestic and foreign customers. The machine adopts imported electrical appliances, built-in servo motors, and PLC system control, which not only ensures the stable operation of the equipment, but also significantly improves the production efficiency. Auto-loading, auto-deviation correction, auto-tension control, save time to adjust it, and the lifting cylinders can be up to 300 kg, which reduces the time of changing materials by 50%. Fully automatic operation, avoid errors in manual work, greatly improving production efficiency. Support online handle attaching. The handle length can be adjusted through the touchscreen, easy to operate. After the creasing device work, the side of the bag looks more three-dimensional to create a high-quality bag type. Adopt color checking sensor, sensitive and accurate, and the variable mode is capable of handling 95% of the sizes on the market. Intelligent operation, equipped with a touchscreen. Through the computer to adjust the bag size, production speed, record production batch, and other important data to achieve better human-computer interaction. Feeding, cutting, ultrasonic heat sealing, bag foaming, and bag removal. All adopt servo motors with strong power and precise control. Follow ZX to learn more about non-woven bag making machine.